Hi friends, this is my 27th episode in the series Name This Bird. I hope you have seen all the 26 episodes. In my last episode, I showed you a big bird. Did you recognize it? Well, that is Shikra bird and it is called Dege in Kannada. It is a small hawk. It catches small animals and eats them, and that's why the squirrels get scared whenever they see it. They try to drive it away by shouting loudly. And today I have a small bird for you. See if you can recognize it. If you know its name, write it in the comment box. Otherwise, wait for my next video. Now that you have seen the bird, did you recognize it? If you know its name, write it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll tell you its name in my next video. Thank you. My video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Thank you.